Unit 6. Startup. What is your favorite pastime activity? Chapter 1. Are you a movie addict? Page 76. A. Listen to the conversation between Mary and Rose, then practice with a partner.
Maria, how much do you like to go to the movies?
Well, actually, I guess I am a movie addicted.
Movie addicted?
Yeah, I adore the film of watching a movie in big screen, eating popcorn, and the darkness make me feel like there was just me and myself there. I watch most films premiere.
Wow, that's awesome to know. You go to the movies every week, though.
Actually, I go to the movies twice a week. If I like the movie, I can go 3 or 4 times.
What kind of movie do you like? What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie? Well, I love Hitchcock's movies. My favorite one is Psycho. It's a classic thriller.